What up, y'all? I'm Johnny Chin, and welcome back to another episode of Hangry Boys. On today's episode, we're going to explore a new spot in Stockton. It's actually a stand that sells ceviche on top of a michelada. And y'all know I love me some micheladas, and I love seafood as well. I'm actually going to throw it back to a clip of this past weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So one of my favorite things in Stockton is our food. We have a wide variety of really good ethnic foods, and today I'm trying for the first time a Michelada El Cejas. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's right here. It's beautiful. I'm gonna try it for you guys.
Purchase your tracks today.
Torres on the beat, boys.
Okay, so their micheladas actually don't have any beer in it, so I'm just gonna eat the ceviche part of it first, and we're gonna get beer after because I cannot drive with this. So what do you guys think? They don't want to be in the video, so it's just me.
You got Coronas at my mom's.
You got Coronas at your mom's?
So do, let's go.
We gonna eat this. Bitch!
Gentle.
Oh fuck. Oh,
It bombed home.
it's hella good, y'all. It's salty, a little spice. It's flavorful. It does not lack in flavor.
The cook is shrimped. I wish I had a
The cook is shrimp? The shrimp
The
is
shrimp
cooked.
is cooked really well.
Okay. I'm making a mess.
Because I'm pretty sure you cook your do you cook a salad? Because ours is colorful.
Yo, this is so bomb, y'all. Yes, thank you. We're gonna try this out for you too. But damn, this is bomb, y'all.
We'll be back for more.
I don't know, I'm eating like that. But we're like in the middle of nowhere in Stockton. But that's where the best food is. $11 not bad because our Michelada's like what? 8, 9, 10?
10.
And this doesn't come with all this. Good value also. I'm making a mess. Anyone else making? Alright, we're back at the house finishing this yummy. So what my niece Cena was saying, that the shrimp is cooked really well because it's cooked through lime, right? It's not actually cooked. Sometimes it can be kind of scary and raw. It's just good. The veggies, everything is crunchy, good texture. The sauce on top is good, yeah. And the candy is actually used as a straw. And I thought it was kind of cool how the lid, they just flip the lid upside down and that's how they filled the ceviche in there.
And they have cucumber in here.
Yep, there's cucumber. Oh, cucumber in the drink?
Yeah.
Oh yes, there is cucumber in the drink.
It's like a whole meal.
It is a whole meal. Okay, now time for the fun. Normally I would do the Modelo, but we got Corona today.
Tip it.
We do a little at a time. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. I need more? Oh yeah. So it's actually really flavorful. So it tastes better with the beer. So we're gonna do that, top it off. Just like that.
Delicious.
That's hella good.
Patron, whatever. You try Upstrong. It's good in the beginning. This one is because it's so flavorful. It stays
Yeah, because it's so flavorful, it doesn't. Sometimes it kind of waters down when you go get michelada sometimes, but they put a lot of flavor in it to where it still be good, even when you add more beer. As Ellie would say, I'd recommend. I don't know if I showed y'all earlier, but they hooked us up with some gummies. It's flavored. I'm guessing similar to the michelada flavor. You want to try? This is hella good. And it's so good for like hot days like this. I don't know why it's still hot. She's choking on that D.
My throat.
You ready to try? She don't sound ready. Okay.
Went down the wrong hole.
So I'm gonna show you. It's like these. What are these gummies called? Like these rings.
They might be apple rings.
Apple rings.
Yeah.
They're apple rings. We're gonna try some. They're a little sticky. I don't know why I'm smelling it. I smell my food. That's bomb, huh? How do you describe the flavors? Bomb.
That sauce is good.
It has like chamoy or something. Like the Mexican stuff is similar in the drinks or in here, I think. But the like sour tartness from the gummies is a good flavor.
Done.
Done. I'm having another one. Y'all need to go get some. Once again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you have a spot in Stockton or in the Central Valley or even in the Bay Area that you want me to check out, leave a comment below and I'll go check it out. I'll give you an honest review of my experience. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Do it. Do it now. You did it? Cool.